Hello everybody, my name is Stathis Varveris and I'm here asking for your help. Up until 2 years ago, I was living a very happy and healthy life and having a career in the aviation industry. Then everything changed. When I developed a severe neurological condition called functional neurological disorder or FND, which has left me unable to work and completely changed my daily life. After a very long medical journey and suffering, I am now being assessed by a specialist team at the Brain and Mind Center in London, where my treatment plan is currently being finalized. But the issue and the main reason I'm reaching out to you is that just the core treatment could approximately reach 250,000 English pounds, which is far beyond what my family and I can afford. That is why I'm creating this fundraiser to give myself the opportunity to receive the treatment I need, and hopefully the doctors are also very optimistic, get my life back. Every donation and every share of this post brings me one step closer to making this recovery possible. Thank you for taking this time to listen to my story. A more detailed version of my story is available on the fundraiser page. So thank you for taking the time. Any fund, any share of this post would help me reach the amount I need and start my treatment as soon as possible. You can find the link for the fundraiser, for the fundraising page, above or below, depending on the platform you are watching now this video. Thank you very much, all of you. Thank you.